यू नो हाउ वी ऑल से कि यार ये सीखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है, टाइम निकालना पड़ेगा, और वो टाइम कभी आता नहीं है। बिटवीन योर वर्क, डेडलाइंस एंड सो मैनी अदर थिंग्स, वो टाइम कभी आ ही नहीं पाता जो तुम्हें खुद कुछ सीखने के लिए चाहिए होता है। सो अ फ्यू डेज अगो आई सॉ अ वीडियो ऑफ जॉश कॉफमैन who said some things about learning new skills in a limited time. He said in the video that you only need 20 hours to learn something new and you don't need 10,000 hours to master anything. At first I thought कि भाई बस 20 घंटे में तो नेटफ्लिक्स की एक सीरीज बिंज वॉच हो जाती है, मैं कुछ नई स्किल कैसे सीख सकते हो। हमने कहीं ना कहीं तो ये रूल सुना ही हुआ है कि इट टेक्स 10,000 hours to be good at something or to master anything. But that is not actually true for us. जो रूल बनाया गया था 10,000 आवर्स का, इट वॉज फॉर द एक्सपर्ट्स इन द फील्ड, फॉर द पीपल हु वांटेड टू गेट सो अमेजिंग एट इट, हु वांटेड टू बी ग्रेट एथलीट्स, म्यूजिशियंस, चेस प्लेयर्स, एनीथिंग। उनको उस चीज़ में एक्सपर्ट बनना था। बट जस्ट टू बी गुड इनफ एट समथिंग यू डोंट नीड 10,000 आवर्स और 5 years फ्रॉम योर लाइफ। You only need 20 hours, 20 focused hours. So let's get into it. हमें कोई नई चीज़ सीखने से जो रोक रहा है वो टाइम नहीं है, वो है हमारी एम्बैरेसमेंट, वो है हमारा प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन कि क्या करेंगे ये सब हम शुरू करके। द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू एंड यू सक एट इट, स्ट्रेटली गो कि यार ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा है, व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ दिस। दैट इज़ नॉट योर लॉजिक टॉकिंग, दैट्स योर ईगो टॉकिंग। It's the emotional resistance of us that make us quit something before it gets fun. Josh called it frustration barrier, and I felt it with everything that I've tried to. Be it content creation, be it video editing, be it learning psychology, anything. Even though I love all three of these, but still there was a frustration in the start. And the moment that you feel stupid about doing anything, that is your test. You just have to push through the first 20 hours of it. So let's see how we can break it down into 4 steps. First, deconstruct the skill. So when I first started learning about content and video editing and all, I didn't try to master everything. I just wanted to learn how to cut clips, how to make good transitions and everything. I'm still learning. I'm not saying I learned it all. But once I understood it, it got easier. It became simple, one step at a time. So step 2, learn enough to self-correct. You don't need 20 books to learn something new. You just need enough knowledge to correct your mistakes and know that you are going wrong. I watched 3 or 4 tutorials before I actually got into editing my videos. After that I opened the software, I made a few examples, and whenever I mess up I googled it. If I was doing wrong, I just googled it. Step 3, remove barriers. I literally had to put everything else in the other room, put myself in the other room to think out loud. Because the hardest part is not learning, it's starting. Even a little willpower to remove all your distractions plays a large role in actually keeping you motivated. And step 4, commit to 20 hours. This is the hardest part. Because at 2 or 3 hours you'll feel like, what am I doing? Is it enough? At 4 or 5 hours you'll feel like quitting. But somewhere around 10 to 12 hours you'll feel like this is actually fun. I can actually do it. My 20-hour experiment. So I tried this. I gave myself 20 hours to learn something new. I have all the time in the world to learn something new. For me it was video editing. I sucked at first. I'm still not very good at it, but 1 hour each day I'm getting somewhere better. I was not very good, but I was good enough to enjoy it. And that's when I realized learning is not about becoming perfect. It's about becoming someone who tries. The real fear is not of failing. It's of embarrassing yourself. It's of feeling stupid. But once you give yourself permission to be bad at something, to suck at it, to be stupid, and just go for it, you will learn so much more. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to start. And now you know that it takes only 20 hours. So start today. You don't need to master something to love it. You just need to start.